Here are the 3 ingredients for fastest hair growth at home naturally. The first ingredient we'll be using is gloves. Gloves have been working for ages for hair growth, to stop hair loss, and also to stop hair thinning. You have to crush these gloves with mortar. If you have blender, you can use blender. Once you have finished crushing it, then the next thing you have to do is to filter it, remove the chaff of the glove so that you can make use of the powder. Just filter it the way I'm doing on this video. Here is the gloves powder. That's what you will use. The second ingredient is the aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good for hair growth. It helps to stop hair thinning. It helps to work for hair loss. So you have to extract the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel is very good for hair growth because it will help to boost your hair, make it grow faster, stop hair thinning, repair damaged hair. This aloe vera has been the best for hair growth because of the anti-inflammatory properties in it. So you have to extract the aloe vera gel. After you have finished extracting, the next ingredients we'll be using, the third ingredient is raw egg. Raw egg contains biotin and folate that helps to boost hair growth. You can use 1 egg, you can use 2 eggs. After you are done, then you have to mix all the ingredients together, perfectly mix them together, then apply this remedy on your scalp to tips. Cover with shower cap or plastic bag. Wash it off after 2 hours and shampoo as always. It will help to grow your hair, stop hair loss, repair damaged hair, and also helps to stop hair thinning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel.